come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi bully. I did that face because I was wondering if it could like screenshot it for a thumbnail. Anyway, so yes, I told you so. I know I ain't do a video in like a couple days. I've been kind of under the weather and different little things going on, but we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. All right, so toasted Avax, we here. It has officially been announced that it is by the same devs as baked beans. I'm not late. I was actually the first one. I think I was the first video confirming that before it was even fully confirmed. I was like, nah, this is too suspicious, boys. Everything's adding up. So I bought in quickly. I believe, look at it, right now it's at 14,688 Avax. I believe I bought it when it was at 3,000 Avax. I believe. Then I bought it again at like 5,000, something like that. I have the screenshots to prove it. And I posted in the Telegram group. That's the Bullpen Millionaires. Now, before I go deeper into this and how it's different and what's going on and the contract balance and all that, before I get deeper into those, please help me with the push to 1,000 subscribers. It's DeFi Bully. We trying to get monetized. I mean, hit that notification bell. Time sensitive info. Y'all know it if y'all been watching it that, yeah, I give you a lot of reasons to hit that subscribe button and to hit that notification bell. Make that shit ring like, all right, let's go. Now, toast to Avax. You can see the contract balance is going parabolic. Wow. And that's to be expected, especially when everybody else found out. Well, even when it was suspicion that it was the same team as baked beans, it was going crazy. When it was officially announced, that shit took off. It took off. I have 340 toast in here. My rewards is at 0.680 Avax. What? 0.681 Avax. I believe I looked this up a while ago. If you look right now, CoinMarketCap, Avalanche is way down. So Avax is probably a good opportunity to buy in if you like to hold these type of coins and stuff as well. Okay, so that's about $39.54. I'll take it. I'm trying to build my standing in this toast. I got a feeling it's going to do pretty good. Now, a lot of the... let me show you guys the differences now. Now, some of the differences between this and baked beans and other forks of baked beans out there is the daily returns has actually been shrunk for sustainability. So they brought the daily returns down a little bit to 5% from 8%. Okay, the dev fee stays the same. The APR is a little bit different because of the 5% payout. And also the referral is no longer, I believe, what was it before? 10% or 12%. Now it's actually 7%. Okay. And something interesting I found out about this is that I believe you could use a different referral link every time you deposit, I believe. So that's something different. Normally when you use a referral link, it's locked to that person. And I'm not sure, I don't think the compounds are connected to this one. But you could go ahead and try it, experiment with that. So you could try a different referral link every time if you just want to support different people, or you want to support me one day, Yo Crypto Rock one day, you know, like just examples I'm throwing out. Mr. FOMO one other day, or whatever the case may be. But yeah, it seems like a pretty interesting idea. I actually used my little brother's referral link for the second deposit I did. Because after it was announced that it was officially the team, I actually did another deposit of $100 worth of Avax. Bringing my total deposits to about $300 worth of Avax. And I have 340 toasts. Okay, people. I'm not sure if the Telegram group is open for the public as yet, but let's take a look over here. Let me see the BNB, the baked beans. Oops, not project announcements. The baked beans miner group. Okay. Oh, my name is up there. NASA. They misspelled my name. The misspelling of my name. All right, let's go. There's a lot. If you guys have questions, there's a lot of question and answers throughout the group. People ask a lot of questions. It's answered by the team in timely fashion. So you guys could always go down to the Telegram group and check that out. Let me see what happens, because I don't believe the Telegram group was open for the public. Oh, now it is. Let me join that. Yes. Whoa, I'm restricted. I'll probably be unrestricted soon. Welcome. Oh, I had to prove that I'm a human. Whoa, a lot of people coming in. All right, let's prove that I'm not. All right, let's fucking go. All right, so we in here, people. Let me just run through a couple of these Q&As really quick so people have an understanding of the Toast Avax. It is on Avalanche Smart Chain. Baked Beans was on a Binance Smart Chain. Your frequently asked questions is right here. Let's just run through a couple of these. What happens when I toast AVAX? When you toast AVAX, the AVAX gets locked into the toasted AVAX smart contract and rewards you up to 5% daily. So what did that mean? What that means is the money that you deposit, you cannot take out. Oh, and that's the second question. Can I take my initial AVAX back? And no, you can't. Over time, you can. Toasts are not bought. Toasts are toasted, therefore it can't be sold. They're just trying to be creative. Once toast is toasted, they work for you indefinitely. So pretty much the money that you put in, it works for you. The toast that it gives you, like how I have 340 toasts or something like that. The toast represents miners. So the miners, they actually work for you. They mine AVAX tokens for you at a rate of 5% daily on your based on your investment. Okay, so if you have $100 in there, that should pay $5 a day. But as you compound, it gives you a chance to grow that. Okay, people. The fees is a small 3% dev fee in order to pay marketing costs and developing the toasted AVAX ecosystem. When's the best time to toast AVAX? Always. No matter when you hire miners, you begin with a return rate of up to 5% daily. How often do you retoast, or how often should you compound? We recommend that you compound at least once per day, but you're free to do it as often as you wish. Just keep in mind, people, the transaction fees. So since this is on the Avalanche Smart Chain, you will have to have AVAX tokens in your wallet for the transactions. Okay, people. I hope I didn't lose you guys. All right. This is how is toasted AVAX sustainable? Toasted AVAX are sustained by continued community support, just as every other crypto coin, token, or project. The difference is that since there is no token, there's no price dump. As long as toast are baking in the contract, there will always be rewards. Okay, so they're not utilizing their own token; they are using AVAX. So it's a community driven thing as far as like as long as everybody sticks to the protocol and the strategies, which is compound a certain amount of days and then withdraw a day or two, then it will sustain longer. And the longer that goes on, the longer the project will sustain. We've seen this happen with baked beans. We see we've seen it happen with baked beans. Is it better to retoast or to eat toast? By design, retoasting would be more profitable than eating toast in the long term, which makes sense. Okay. So you could copy. All right. So it launched a few days ago. My first video was the day of it being launched. My first video on Toasted AVAX. Okay, so right now I have about like how much money was this? About $40 worth of toast, worth of AVAX. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-roast that, see how much that $40 gonna give me in toast. So right now I got 340 toast. Let's see how far I could go. Got 340 toast, people. 340 toast, people. Yo, it's been a lot of naysayers and people talking and jibber jabbering. I'm bringing the news. I'm like CNN, but without the fake news, you know? I'm the real. I bring the content to y'all early and definitely. So hit that like button because you know I'm bringing that content. And if you didn't already hit that notification bell, time sensitive. So that did give me about 30 toast. Okay. So now I should be earning a little bit more than I was yesterday. And if you guys look at Moonarch, that app, you can see that it had a steady increase since its launch. Where is it? toasted Avax right here. Contract balance is about 856,000, which is pretty good. A good way to double check those people is to always come down here. It's a little different from BScan on a Binance Smart Chain. Similar thing right here. Just click this. This is snowtrace.io. You can double check the contract, the Avax value, which fluctuates, and the balance. 14,689 Avax. Right now, Avax is at $58 exactly at the time of this video, and it should be around $850,000. And if you look here, you can see seconds ago, hatch, buy, hatch means retoast. Okay, people. Buy obviously mean toasting or buying in. Sell obviously means sell. But if you look, all these transactions like within a minute, so people still coming in. It's still very early to get into this, I believe. And if it does anything like its predecessor, baked beans, then this should be a good source of passive income, people. Let's stick to it and be smart with these things. Keep an eye on a contract balance and just stick with the community and see if everything is going the way you want it to go. Figure out a plan that works for you, how you can make back your ROI, or if you just want to compound for a certain amount of time before you even start thinking about your ROI. I've done different methods and I have different strategies. With this one, I believe my strategy would just be to grow my toast. I kind of want to get to like 1,000 toasts, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, and it's been paying me out pretty good, about $15 a day since I did my last deposit. All right, people. So let's get it. I don't want to spend too much time on this. I just want y'all to see that toasted Avax and let y'all know that it's verified by the team of baked beans. Shout out Crypto Kratos and everybody a part of the team. Shout out me, Defi Bully, Nasa Ben Kabi. Subscribe to me. And remember, this is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.